Well, we've come here today to support the public sector workers, the trade unions who've come out in their tens of thousands to say that we are not willing to accept these cuts in public spending.
Well, I think time has come to say loud and clear that this crisis has not to be paid by those who less responsibility have on it.
We're here today because we are fighting for a social Europe that will be able to restart our economies and help people out of this mess. So let's go.
Well, we're supporting this demonstration because now is the time to say that austerity alone will not work. Yes, we need balanced public finances, but if we are not compensating that with a deep-going tax reform, we will not make it.